To get started, you need Nvidia GeForce Experience App. Second, the game you want to record. If you don't have the GeForce Experience app installed on your PC, simply search for Nvidia GeForce Experience in Google. Visit the Nvidia website and download the app. Once it's installed, open the app and click on this setting button at the top right corner. This will take you to the settings page. Next, let's set up some basic settings and enable the Nvidia overlay. Nvidia overlay lets you toggle in and out of the app features while you are in the game. To enable the game overlay, go to this section of the app and set this button to on. Now, let's go to the overlay settings. Let's first check some keyboard shortcuts. Here you can customize quick access keys for various actions supported by Nvidia GeForce. For now, let's go to the recording shortcut and set manual recording toggle on and off to Ctrl+R. Let's go back and also set up the file location where the recording will be saved. Now we are all set with the basic settings to get started with game recording using Nvidia GeForce Experience. Let's start our game for this demo. I'm going to start PUBG. Remember the in-game overlay settings we enabled earlier? You can toggle the Nvidia GeForce Experience overlay using Alt+Z shortcut like this, which gives you quick access to the app while you are still in the game. Now let's get started with recording the game. To start recording, we can use either the game overlay option or we can use the shortcut key we have set up earlier. That is Ctrl+R. Let's do it. You will see a pop-up indicating that recording has started. We can close the recording using the same shortcut key. Let's do that now. Now let's go to the file location we have set up earlier for saving the recording files and check for the recorded video. Your recording is saved and available to play. You can use this recording to edit, extract your MVP moments and share it with your friends or upload it to social media. That's all for this video. If this video helped you, please leave a like and comment and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Happy gaming.